Welcome to Tranquilly Coding. In our previous video, we have seen how to switch fragments using ViewPager and TabLayout. So now, in this video, I am going to show you a different way. So previously, we have used the custom listener for TabLayout and both for the ViewPager, but in this one, we are going to use TabLayoutMediator. This is a new concept, and this is going to be much easier, and it will reduce the code a lot. So what TabLayoutMediator does, it's a quick and short method to attach both the TabLayout and also the ViewPager with it, and as the ViewPager is already attached to the adapter, so it will work in both ways. So you need to pass the TabLayout, the ViewPager, and the tab configuration strategy. The tab configuration strategy is where we can make changes inside the TabLayoutMediator. So in here we can just move it to the lambda and we can add an attach to it. So TabLayoutMediator allows a lot of functionality. We can just simply pass these titles inside the TabLayoutMediator according to the position. We don't need to add the tabs manually in the top. Let's test it. So you can see everything is here. We removed all the add tab code on top, but it's still working properly. What we can do also, we can create a list like this with all the strings, and we can set the tab according to the list's position. You can see it is the same result as before. So all the tabs are here, but we didn't add the tab one by one. We passed a list and the tab is automatically created according to the list using the TabLayoutMediator. So this is the TabLayoutMediator with ViewPager and custom adapter without using all this code. This is the simplified version. This is it for today. I guess this is the last video of this series. If I get anything interesting about TabLayout in the future, I'll create another video and let you know. Thank you for watching Tranquilly Coding.